Hey, fifth grade, we're moving on to section 2 of our new reader. And this is going to be the next chunk of vocab. I think it's also about 7 words. The first word is nutrients. Think of the word nutrition. These are chemicals that organisms need for the growth and maintenance of their cells. The next word is ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of different organisms that depend on interacting with each other and their physical environment for survival. So all these pieces need each other in order to survive, something we'll talk quite a bit about in this next section. The next word is food chain. A food chain is the path that energy travels as one organism eats another. So we have the bunny who eats the carrot, gains the energy from that carrot, but the fox, look how sly he looks, who eats the bunny, gains the energy from the bunny and the carrot. A producer is an organism that captures energy from sunlight for growth and development. Think of it as plants. Remember to pause, I'm sure you are, to draw your pictures and write down your definitions and take the time that you need to do these correctly and with good effort. A consumer is an organism that eats other organisms. A decomposer is an organism that breaks down organic material and feeds on the nutrients. So we'll talk a little bit more about examples of that. And lastly, I believe, is the word food web, which is a little bit different than a food chain. Food web is a visual that shows the network of food chains in an ecosystem. So more than one thing that interacts with each other, like the fox, the bunny, the carrot. Well, the bird can also eat the carrot, and the snake might also eat the bird. So pause wherever you need to, take time to do some good pictures. Coloring is always helpful because it helps your brain remember, and make sure that your definitions are nice and neat so you can read them.